But I mean, look down in here. I got random plastic piece. What the hell is this? All right, so today we're installing a drop-in K&N air filter in our Jeep Gladiator. So we go with K&N because they're cleanable and reusable. It's the last filter you're gonna buy. You're not gonna keep buying these paper filters from Mopar all the time. You literally hose this one out, oil it back up, and throw it back in. It's that simple. All right, so you're getting increased horsepower, more airflow through the intake, and it's reusable. Let's see what's inside the box. So it looks like you get the filter, obviously, stickers, a do not discard sticker, product info. Let's go out to the garage and get this installed now. So when I open the hood, I flip it all the way back. I don't use the prop. That way there's more light and more room to work. Just be careful. We're gonna focus on one area of this. It's gonna be the air box. We're just replacing the filter that's inside. All right, so we're looking for an 8mm socket, an extension, all right, so there's 5 8mm bolts that need to come out. One needs to completely come out, and that's this part right here. The others we can loosen until it pops up. For filming purposes, you do not have to do this part, but I'm going to remove this cap so you guys can see everything that's going on in the video. All right, so what we have now, I took the cap off. It exposes the filter so you can see what it actually looks like. It is pretty dirty. So we have bugs and whatever all over this thing. And like, look between these things, just dust build up. But I mean, look down in here. I got random plastic piece. What the hell is this? And then bugs. It's pretty gross. All right, I just wanted to do a side-by-side of the factory Mopar filter versus the K&N. These are the tops. And at the bottom. So a lot more airflow definitely through this, or this compact paper. Let's get this installed, pretty simple. This has that cut edge here. Just follow that on top of the air box right there. Drop it right in like that. Got the cap back on. Now we're just gonna bolt down the rest of those 5 bolts and we're done. I told you to take out that top bolt right here. Don't do that. It had nothing to do with anything. It's just these 4 bolts that need to come off so you can get to the filter. So let's put that back in. So that's it. That's how easy it is to install the K&N drop-in filter on a Jeep Wrangler Gladiator. I'll link the air filter below in the description if you guys need one for your Wrangler Gladiator. All right guys, like the video, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you in the next one.